Okay, B'siyata D'Shmaya, we're continuing in the Baal Shem Tov on the idea of Nachat Ruach to Hashem. Ita b'Gemara, it started in the Gemara. Arbe asu ki Rabbi Shimon ben Yochai velo alta biyadam. Many tried to do like Rabbi Shimon ben Yochai, and they weren't successful. הכוונה הוא שהיו רוצים לעשות לעצמם סיגופים כדי שיבואו למדרגת רבי שמעון ben Yochai. The intention here is that they're trying to do afflictions in order to come to the level of Rabbi Shimon ben Yochai, to prevent themselves from doing things and to make their life harder, in order to push down the physicality and to intensify the soul to reach the levels of Rabbi Shimon ben Yochai. ולכך לא עלתה בידם, and that's why it didn't work, because they were afflicting themselves. ולכן לא יכוון בעבודתו רק לעשות נחת רוח לבורא יתברך שמו בלבד ולא שיבוא למדרגה. If that didn't work, right? If they, holy people that were trying to be like a holy person, trying to do a good thing, but it was by way of affliction, and that didn't work, it didn't help them to get to those levels, so then what should be your only intention? To give Hashem a little bit of nachat ruach. Just connect to your Father in heaven, and that is all you need to be thinking about when doing mitzvot. Another thing from the Tzfat Arivash, Chalal Gadol, Ishtavut. This is a big principle. It's called Ishtavut, equilibrium. Equilibrium, not equilibrium. What's it called? Equanimity? Equanimity or something. I don't know what they call it. Ishtavut. Ishtavut means to be equal. Essentially, we're going to learn it. Perush. שיש שווה אצלו אם יחזיקוהו לחסרון ידיעה או ליודע בכל התורה כולה. Whether people know you as a person who has no idea about Torah at all, or they think that you know the whole entire Torah, you stay level. והדבר גורם לזה הוא הדבקות בבורא יתברך שמו תדיר. What will allow you to stay level, whether they're praising you or disgracing you, embarrassing you, or patting your back and shining all of your praise in public? What will help you stay level? Dveikut in Hashem, attaching yourself and having a deep relationship with Hashem that's included in it love and awe. That will allow you to stay equal. שמחמת תרדות הדבקות אין לו פנאי לחשוב בדברים אלו. Since you're so busy focusing on staying attached to Hashem, how could you be busy thinking about the praise that people are giving you, or the embarrassment that you felt, or the bad things people say about you? I'm busy and I'm worried and occupied trying to attach myself to Hashem. I could care less what you have to say about me, whether it's good or bad. Thank you, right? If someone says good things about you, thank you very much. I appreciate it. It's all Hashem. And you continue going back to Hashem. Don't think about what they said about you. Don't be in it. And anything that you do, you just think that right now I'm sending up some pleasant vibes to Hashem. I'm doing this thinking about Hashem. Not for yourself, even a little bit. Even if Hashem gives you pleasant feelings and good feelings and revelations in your service of Hashem, meaning you come to pray, you come to learn Torah, and it feels really good, don't take it for yourself. It's not about you. Take it deeper for yourself to come closer to Hashem. It's all about Hashem. You have one goal, whether it's being revealed to you, like we said before. Don't try to attach yourself to revelations, to different worlds, to sfirot, to mitzvot, to all these things. Your mind should be attached to Hashem above all limitations, above all creations, above all worlds, above all mitzvot, above any Torah. The way to get there is through Torah and mitzvot. But what is your intention? Hashem, 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 Hashem. הנה, העולם לא נברא רק בשביל שעשוע הקדוש ברוך הוא. The whole entire world was only created for Hashem to take delight, for Hashem to have some pleasure, whatever that means. ותענוגיו כביכול במעשה המצוות שאמר ונעשה רצונו. What is Hashem's pleasure, so to say? What does Hashem take pleasure in? Am Yisrael, doing the mitzvot. Right, like we said, ונעשה רצונו, we shall do His will. פירוש, meaning, שעיקר התענוג הוא מה שהאדם חושק ומתלהב והוא למלות רצונו יתברך. The main desire that Hashem has is the passion and the fire and the desire that a person has to do the will of Hashem. Na'aseh retzono, we'll do the will. They didn't even do the will yet. From that already Hashem has pleasure. Na'aseh retzono, we will do His will. That, so to say, is the nachat ruach to Hashem. The nachat ruach that we lift up to Hashem. Nachat again means like calm. Ruach is spirit, right? This like tranquility, this happiness, this good feeling that comes like a parent looks at their kid doing the right thing, like, my son. Right? So that's what we're trying to do when we do mitzvot. It's not also that Hashem should look at us. No, for the good feeling that the parent should have, for the good feeling that Hashem should have. That desire, that pleasure that we feel going towards to do the will of Hashem, that's all the ta'anug already there. והנה האדם עושה כל מעשיו לעשות נחת רוח בתענוג לא יתברך, אזי מכניס השראות אלוקות במעשיו. When you come to do a mitzvah or to learn Torah, to pray, and your intention is, I'm coming, Hashem, to do your will. You asked me to do this, I know it makes you feel good, I'm putting my all into it, I feel good doing it, I'm coming with my heart to do it. When you do that, you bring elokut, you bring godliness to dwell inside all of your actions. You sanctify all of your actions. It's a whole nother level. We have a long one, so we're going to stop here.